How should I structure modified broad match campaigns to discover new keywords without wasting budget? So when it comes down to this match type, what this is basically, there are 3 match types that everyone knows about: the exact match, the broad match, and the phrase match, right? And then the broad modifier is going to be with a plus sign in front of each word. And that way you're going to just make sure that all the search terms that are going to be generated are going to contain that exact word. Let's say our product is a cat scratch furniture protector. This would be a product that is helping your cat not scratch anymore on the furniture. In that case, we have already cat scratch furniture protector, so 4 words. If we are going to have this in a broad modified, we are going to have in front of the word cat like a plus sign right next to it. So plus sign cat, don't leave the space between. And then everything that you would be generating should be cat related. So all the search terms that are going to pop out for that specific keyword would have the word cat. Now, let's say that we want to go one step further. We want to say cat scratch. So everything that is cat scratch related is going to be in the search term. In that case, you're going to add the plus sign in front of the cat and plus sign in front of the word scratch. Let me know if that makes sense, but this is a way how to work around how to target in exact-ish match keywords rather than just all the broad keywords or search terms in this case that would come up from Amazon.